Hi everyone, I'm back with another product review. HTVRONT sent us a package containing their mini heat press, something I've had my eye on because it would be perfect for my heat press projects, especially for small areas where a large heat press machine isn't ideal. We also received a standard grip sticky mat which is compatible with our Cricut machine. In addition, they sent us a heat press accessory bundle that includes heat tape, a weeding tool, heat transfer vinyl, a Teflon sheet, dark fabric transfers, sublimation paper, and of course a heat press mat. This came at just the right time because I have a blank canvas makeup bag that I've been wanting to design. Since I don't have a printer dedicated for sublimation, I'll be using the heat transfer vinyl for this project. By the way, I got a design from Fabrica, one of my favorite websites for SVG files, so go check it out. The only downside to using heat transfer vinyl is the weeding process. I honestly hate it, especially if the design is complicated, but luckily the HTVRONT weeding tool is much improved and easier to use. I also used a pair of tweezers to help pick out the smaller pieces. The mini heat press is easy to use. You can adjust the temperature and time by pressing the setting buttons next to the power button, and then use the plus and minus signs to increase or decrease the values. The flat surface of the mini heat press is approximately 3.5 inches long by 3 inches wide, and it is a lemon shape. While it's designated for small areas, you can still use it for larger designs by moving it across the entire surface. Just make sure you have the settings right. The first time I used it, things didn't go as planned. It was a wreck. The temperature was too low, or I peeled the vinyl too early. On my second try, I increased the temperature from 290 degrees Fahrenheit to 310 degrees Fahrenheit and applied more pressure and moved the heat press gradually across the entire design. I waited for it to cool down before peeling off the plastic, and it turned out perfectly. Afterward, I pressed the design again, this time with a Teflon sheet over it. I love how it turned out. This mini heat press is perfect for small projects because I don't need to plug in my big heat press for simple jobs like this. Also, the plate of the mini heat press has a curved section, which is great for pressing on non-flat surfaces like mugs, caps, and more. Here's a sneak peek of how I use the curved part in my next DIY project, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the ring button so that you will not miss it. Check the link in the description box for where you can purchase this mini heat press. HTVRONT also offers a variety of machines to suit your heat press needs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up, share the video, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.